Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the best movie app and I will just give you complete information about this. The first one is that is a Merl movie. This is only available in mobile phones, right? And offers a vast library of classic and new release movies with both streaming and offline downloading option. It's perfect for the who have a mobile phone and generally watch movies on the mobile devices. The second one is Tubi. Right, Tubi lets you stream a massive collection of movies and shows for free with no subscription required. Its ad-supported model allow you to enjoy content without paying. So this is a plus point, and this is available on both mobile phone as well as on this laptop or PC. The third one is VU. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is generally for the fans of Asian dramas and movies. Viu is a must-have app. It's packed contents from the Korea, Japan, and movies, generally Asian content. And you can see here 16 markets and counting. So these are generally, you know, Asian and plus East Arab countries, right? The next thing is that Plex, right? Plex is a subscription-free streaming service with over 300 channels, free movies, and live. It brings the best of movies and TV apps straight to you, right? And the last one is that is a Cinema HD, and you have to download on your PC or laptop. And this is also pretty good, but you have to use VPN, all this stuff. And thanks for watching this, guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe. If you need any more suggestion, let us know in the comment box. Take care. Goodbye.